Hi, this is Greg from T1D3DGear.com, and we are introducing our Orange Link case, just like our Riley Link cases. They're 3D printed with a super flexible material. It says medical device on it, and it can be customized with your own phone number. The Riley Link slips right in there, just like that, and it comes with a carabiner, just like that. And it's super strong, as you can see, so you don't have to worry about it ripping off. And then when it comes time to change your batteries, it's a pretty simple process. You don't even need to take it out. You can just fold down the front, fold down the back, and then pop open, change your batteries. We also offer two other versions. One, for those of you that need to keep track of stuff, it has a spot for a tile. This is the tile sticker. It's a small round sticker. It's the smallest tracker they have. It just slips right inside there, and then the Riley Link goes inside. So it's a great way to keep it secure, and a great way to find your Riley Link or your Orange Link. And the same thing, we make a version for the Tile Mate, which is this tile tracker. It too slips right inside, just like that, and your Orange Link goes right in there. We chose not to make a Tile Pro version because the Pro is actually bigger than this case and sticks out. So we think those are the three great options. So head on over to T1D3DGear.com, place your order. It comes in 19 colors, just like our other ones. And thanks for all your support for the last 2 years that we've been in business.